Using a cloud service like Office 365 means you're just along for the ride when it comes to new features and changes to existing features. That's part of the appeal. You get new stuff all the time, and improvements are continuously rolled out as well. Some customers want the new stuff first, and others want to get the new stuff later as sort of a risk mitigation. So Microsoft caters to both of those type of customers with the option to enable first release. First release settings are found here in the Settings Organization Profile section of the admin portal. By default, a tenant is configured for standard release. So let's edit this setting. And we get two options other than standard release. First release for everyone means that the entire tenant will receive new features and changes at the same time. Customers who have enabled first release get these changes after they've been tested in Microsoft's development environments and also tested in Microsoft's production environments. In other words, Microsoft eats their own dog food first, and then first release tenants get it next. The other option is first release for selected users. With this option, you can choose a subset of your users to receive new features first. These would typically be the more tech-savvy users in your organization, perhaps even a dedicated testing team. The kind of people who will notice problems and be able to communicate issues clearly and patiently work through those problems with you. The rest of your user population will receive new features a little bit later when they're rolled out to standard release customers. I'm going to choose first release for everyone, which for a test or training tenant like this is fine because it gives you new features early so that you can try them out before they arrive in your separate production tenant. There's one last warning here about the impact of this change. Probably the most important point to be aware of here is that if you turn off first release, your users might lose access to a feature that has not yet rolled out to standard release. If that's a concern, then the first release for selected users option is probably better for you.